right? But you had a good time. You didn't have a good time?
Huh?
You had a good time.
I'm mad one time you have good time when pussy run. You eat that when me get me hood wet.
Me are you?
No, I'm telling you, no.
That's if you can't want to. What are we going to say? Yeah, freckles are. When me a cut your time, they realize you're true. They go attack. Bangs.
That's how I feel. You want to feel the cocky? Freckles, you don't say how a man I from tonight.
You come at home more often.
For sure? Yeah, go on.
I don't say Freckles not like shopping at all. So only expect people to look.
No, from Mr. Freckles. Oh God, stop giving them the height, the brother. A girl look like he have about 17 pitney brother.
No. Me nah.
Bro, stop hype up a girl like that.
Guys, I'm not talking truth.
Bro, Freckles look like he have about 17.
No, I'm not talking truth. You look like Freckles have pitney.
But you're not a pitney. You're not a pitney. And you look like you have about...
And my breast them long. Could I breast them rich? Could I breast them rich?
Yo, Leon, me not like to go and stung your restaurant like your breast literally stung in your lap. Yeah, your breast sit down. Yeah, you can sit down. And me watching Leon and I say, oh my God, Leon was a nice, beautiful girl. You see Leon, you at the restaurant, and I see her sit down. I saw me see her titty them just sit down. You know, yeah? I joke, man. I joke.
If we not going to chew you. No,
it's a joke, man.
I'm going to chew him and just use it as a little joke chat. You know them joke truth there?
I joke, man. Like,
I like Sally and I mix and I just me and you alone. Because you're lying, I'm afraid of you, I'm telling you, I'm afraid of you, like, wow. If you do anything with banks alone, you're going to hear tomorrow, or...
Yo, I'm telling you, bro.
If things go this...
You want to sneak in, girl, you see
me not sneak in.
You see her? You sleep by your yard at night time, you know?
What?
You sleep by your yard at night time, you know?
So she sleep.
Alright, show me where you live, man. You show me where you live, I circle you a couple nights and see if you're carrying that yard.
I like man watch pussy, you know.
Yeah, Gina.
I do get... No,
I don't like man watch pussy. I feel like banks watch pussy.
No.
I feel like banks are the type of man who have to give me a location so anywhere you go.
15 that...
You have to know which part you're there. I feel banks watch pussy. Hard.
Banks, when I drop
15 and I'm say you count down, I say right down fuck.
At 2K. Guys,
15 and
you don't follow up your boss, you know. You don't follow up banks.
Today 15 and 17, today fuck, if that's it, you fuck 1 year and 2 days.
Oh, fuck, I just start.
That means your pussy was going back to virgin.
Stitch up kind of.
Where
you say you fuck 1 year now? Stitch up.
Like the pussy then see him with plucky from the wet to the start plucky. No, I don't lie. Say if you actually fuck long time, your pussy all the time, no. When you push out the night and you get with I see him plucky pussy, nothing at him.
Kind of probably feel slightly different. Probably feels like the walls.
No, that's how which walls.
The walls have, you know, rested and built like.
Then the wall have
if you're making people about talk, what's the man calling me bank? What the fuck you say, sir? No man not calling me. I'm live you day. No man not calling me.
I don't care, master.
And say I girl cousin.
I know me old fridge. I mean, I barely not talk a man that. I mean, I talk. And if you're a man and you want premium on the breast, premium don't call. We can't take a style thing, I hear that. We can't come around and treating us so good and make that man a bung out and know pussy on the 10 fan. A boobs on the 10 fan, I can't come around send nice quality month food for them.
Something they boobs. That song we say, the boobs are
with the money, I'm going to afford next month tonight, guys. So when I'm paying money, I go for next month.
Watch out. You know, brother, a regular girl them there sitting there, bro. Watch out. Regular me buy a girl food and liquor, and that man beat that out and all and the man them ever beating on the money, you know, God kill me, I see them. Then girl don't know what they want, bro, you know.
It's the same when I talk, man.
You liar, you
that one take them this day, not
because if a girl not so
yo, me late Freckles, bro, bro.
A girl would have seen
that Freckles worse than I realize. Freckles before you stand on your live and me play a match.
What?
You're worse than I realize.